Hi everyone, this is Cyrus for iPhoneS.com and iPhoneAppsFinder.com. Today I'm showing you three awesome applications, especially if you're a dog lover. We've covered a lot of applications and tools you can use to train your dog on iPhoneS.com. I do encourage you to go and check that out. We've covered solar GPS trackers, iPhone trainers, all that is multiple lists on iPhoneS.com. So definitely go and check those out. These three are for people who want to find a dog park. They want to create a profile for their pet. They want to actually go on trip and have a person take care of their dog. And these applications have you covered. So Dog Parks Finder, the first one, provides you with a list of dog parks available around you. You can get more information on each of them. You can see the reviews. You can get directions, hours of work, manage notes, fees, everything. So it's covered. You can browse in different areas that you are, let's say, and you go from there. So you get the listings and you can find more information about dog parks around you and the requirements, what you can and can't do, the fees, and all the good stuff there. Woof is a pretty cool application, very elegant for various reasons. It's first of all, it lets you create a profile for your dog, and you can take a picture of your dog and track the statistics of your pet. You can mark your dog's territory. You can find nearby dogs. So it's a very cool application in that regard. And here are some of the features without me actually going through it. Is you can obviously create a profile for your pet. So sort of like a social network for your pet. You see nearby the dog parks. You can track your walk, and there are a lot of other applications that do this. I know there's one that map my dog walk. I think that one actually is very similar to this. As far as this feature only, that you can go and get an exercise with your pet and track your routes. Can share your information with others, and pretty much it. I don't even have to sign in to show you all this because these guys have done a marvelous job actually presenting how this app is going to work. So this is sort of like a social networkish kind of application for dogs, and the first one was sort of like a standard listing, dog park listing. It lists all the parks available around you and all the features they have, all the fees that are you need to be aware of, and all the requirements and restrictions as far as what your dog can and can't do and what you can expect when you go. The last one is actually one of the better ones we've tested, and actually one of my favorite ones is because sometimes you travel, you can't take your dog with you, and having someone take care of your pet when you're away, someone you can trust, someone who has a background, a track record that you can check and verify, and a community of people dedicated just to this only, this application has you covered. So what it does is very simple. You can filter the results. You can say, I want to find a place for my dog that's going to cost this much, that's going to have hosts without dogs in their home or hosts with dogs in their home, the type of property, the size of outdoor area, and especially skills that these guys have. So very simple, and you can also do it by distance if you don't want to go. You can select the start and end date, add that information in there. So, and then you can actually get information as far as, let's say, list of places that you want to go, and you get pictures. There we go. So pictures of pets that are available. You can propose a meet and greet. You can ask the host a question. You get information about that person. You have reviews, and you get the location on the map. You also get the calendar of the host and credentials that they have, and also rates, special skills, additional information, everything you need before signing up, making a reservation, and paying for it. You have a customer service that's dedicated to help you out. You have free pet insurance. So it's a pretty interesting application. I can't say there are too many apps like this around. So this is actually a very good one, especially if you travel a lot and want to find a place for your pet. You also, if you're a host and you want to join the community, again, that's another way of looking at it. So three applications. This one finds you dog parks around you, and you can also search for different locations. you have that. You have the Madison Square Dog Park, as you see. So that one is simple. This one lets you create a profile, see dog parks, share photos, track your walk. And the last one, Dog Vacation, is the one that lets you find a sitter for your pet and also make reservations, meet them, find out more information about them, and more. I hope you enjoyed this short video. For more information, please go to iphones.com. If you have dog related applications that you want us to review, please send it to us. Also, if you have any suggestions, you think there are other apps that are better than these, please leave them in the comment section. Please keep in mind that there are so many other dog applications around, but a lot of them come and go. A lot of them do not really are not as stable, or they don't have the developers to keep improving them. So it really comes down to finding an application that gets updated all the time and also is stable enough to use. Actually, there are some silly applications that don't really work. So these were actually reliable, these three that we tested, and there are a few other ones that we will cover in the future. Thanks again for watching, guys.